Desai. I'm cardiologist at Goa Medical College. Now, 29 September is a World Heart Day, and as everybody knows, heart ailments are the major killers worldwide. Conventionally, the conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, obesity are risk factors for developing heart and associated ailments. However, now we are living in unprecedented times and the pandemic has hit the world. Among various things, heart patients are most vulnerable to COVID-19 infection, and a lot of heart patients worldwide have succumbed to COVID-19 infection as well. One of the challenges in treating heart patients during pandemic is that they may present late, they may present with very severe conditions. And while treating COVID-19 patients, it is important to also ensure that doctors who are treating heart patients and the support staff that is involved in treatment of these patients have to be protected from infection as well. Now it is a teamwork. It's not something that only doctors and nurses manage, but people involved, including those who are administering hospitals, are very important. In this regard, I would say that we have in last 6-7 months of the pandemic, we have made a very determined effort to face the challenge and despite adversity continue to provide life-saving therapies to our patients because of constant support from the government and administration. And our Honorable Health Minister, Mr. Vishwajit Rane, has been at the forefront of this battle against COVID-19. And my department particularly at every stage has received a great support from him. He always continues to be our strength.
Hi, I am Dr. Rahul Marik, cardiologist at GMC. So this pandemic altogether has thrown us some different challenges at us. These many patients who are ignoring their symptoms, those who are having chest pain, they are presenting late to the hospital. Most of the times they are not coming to the hospital because of fear of acquiring COVID infection. Most of these patients, they are presenting at very critical stages of the illness. And managing these patients has become very difficult, but in last 5-6 months we are trying our best. All these COVID patients, almost 15-20% of the patients, they have a tendency of developing some clot in the heart artery, brain artery, or some leg veins that can go to the lung arteries, and they can present with severe symptoms. So we are trying our best to take care of all these patients. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Joel Quadros. I'm a consultant in cardiology here at Goa Medical College. So as you know, this COVID-19 is a worldwide pandemic and we are not immune to it. As a cardiologist, we are faced with a lot of emergencies and we have to deal with it. At the same time, we should ensure that our staff as well as the patients are protected, which we are trying to do our best. Even though we cannot stop this emergency care, but we try to do whatever is possible in our hands and provide the best of the care. So we deal with various emergencies and we have tackled it effectively at various levels, right from admission to discharges. And even though some of our staffs and doctors have tested positive, we continue to strive to do the best for the patient and help all the patients and everyone around here with the best of our abilities.
I am Manjusha Pai, staff nurse of cardiology department of GMC. We pray and hope that this pandemic ends soon, and we wish all our patients are safer and secured.
I am Vedavati Bhonsle, in charge of cardiology. On World Heart Day, the nurses of cardiology extend our best wishes to our patients.